Monetized in just 7 days? If you've seen that claim, I need to stop you right there.
That's clickbait. Today I'm showing real monetization timeline. No fluff, just facts.
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how long monetization really takes for your niche. Every week, thousands of new creators believe the 7-day monetization promise, then get crushed by reality. So here's the truth. To even qualify, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views in 90 days.
Even after you qualify, YouTube's review process can take up to 30 days, sometimes longer.
Then you need $100 in earnings before your first payout even lands, usually a month later. Add it all up, and the fastest realistic case is 2 to 3 months, not 7 days. But that number changes depending on your niche. Let's break it down. Finance and business channels, 3 to 6 months. High-paying niche, but viewers need to trust you first.
Tech and AI tools, 2 to 4 months. Demand is exploding right now, so growth tends to be faster.
Gaming, 4 to 8 months. It's a huge audience, but also the most crowded space on the platform. Lifestyle and vlogging, 6 to 12 months. It takes longer because it's built entirely on personal connection. Faceless and automated channels, 2 to 4 months, if you stay consistent with volume. Education and tutorials, 3 to 5 months. Steady search traffic keeps this niche reliable. Shorts-focused channels can qualify fastest, 1 to 3 months, but early payouts are usually smaller. So realistically, most creators are looking at 1 to 12 months, depending on niche and consistency. Here's the fastest legitimate path to hit monetization, no matter your niche. Step 1. Choose a niche with high demand and low competition. Step 2. Post consistently. Consistency is what stacks your watch hours fastest. Step 3. Use shorts to reach the 10 million views in 90 days path, if long form is growing too slowly.
Step 4. Optimize your thumbnails and hooks. Higher click-through and retention accelerate everything.
Step 5. Repurpose every long-form video into 2 or 3 shorts. One upload, triple the reach. Step 6. Check your analytics every week and double down on whatever's working.
Step 7. The moment you hit those numbers, apply immediately. Don't sit on it. Here are 3 YouTube hacks that will help boost your YouTube channel.
Hack 1. Don't chase broad keywords. Target low competition search terms. Rank on day 1.
Hack 2. End every video with a direct question, then reply to every single comment in the first hour.
Hack 3. Leave helpful comments on videos. Real viewers click your profile for targeted traffic.
This is what a realistic growth curve looks like. Steady, not overnight. Consistency beats shortcuts every single time on this platform. So skip the 7-day myth. Set your expectations by your niche and stay consistent. Subscribe to Creators IQ for real, no-hype YouTube growth strategies every week. Creators IQ. Grow smart, grow real.